Hey there, friends. If you're feeling stuck, lost, or like you're falling behind in life, this story is just for you. It's not just a story, it's a lesson about patience, hard work, and why shortcuts never lead to true success. So sit back and let me tell you the inspiring story of the bamboo and the oak. In a quiet village surrounded by green hills lived a young boy named Paul. He dreamed of becoming a great architect, someone who would build homes that touched the sky. But Paul was impatient. He saw people his age getting rich and famous so quickly. Every scroll on his phone reminded him others were ahead. Frustrated, he ran to his grandfather, a wise old farmer. The old man didn't give him advice. He simply led him to their backyard. There stood a tall oak tree, and next to it, a tiny green shoot barely out of the soil. The oak grows fast, his grandfather said, but this little one is bamboo. For 5 years, it looks like nothing's happening. But underground, it's building strong roots. And then, in just 6 weeks, it grows over 80 feet tall. He looked at Paul and said, "You want success that lasts? Build roots, work in silence. There are no shortcuts." Years went by. Paul faced rejection, failures, and doubts. But he kept going, remembering the bamboo. And one day, he bloomed. Not only did he become a top architect, but he also designed homes for the poor, safe from floods and earthquakes. Everyone called him an overnight success, but only he knew. It took years of invisible growth. So remember this, if life pulls you down, it's mean. It's asking you to build your roots strong. There are no shortcuts in life. Like bamboo, stay patient, grow your roots, and never give up. Your time will come, and when it does, it will be worth it. So like, subscribe, and share for more stories about Paul.